Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. We are today heading to Malaga from Barcelona.
Flashback.
बट हम सही सलामत होटल पहुंच गए.
End of flashback.
Hey you guys, welcome to day 3 in Malaga and also a proper full day here in Malaga today. Today we are going to be exploring the caves of Nerja. It is one of the most top-rated experiences here in Malaga, and in general Europe is very famous for its cave systems and stuff, and we wanted to include one in our itinerary as well. So that's what we're going to do. We as usual booked all of our experiences through Get Your Guide, and so is this one as well. I'm going to leave a link to this experience in the description box below, but as you can see outside, it's pitch dark. It's barely 7:30 and the sunrise is not gonna happen for an hour now, but we need to leave because our pickup is at 9 a.m. and it's a 9 hours experience. So yeah, it's gonna be a long day, but before that we're gonna grab some coffee and maybe some breakfast if we can even get any of those. So yeah, let's start our day. We reached our pickup spot, but our bus is not here. The other tour just left before us, so I believe there's a tour before us as well, and I don't think any of our tour people have come yet. So we're just gonna go and grab some coffee because the mall which is next to our hotel was closed in the morning. It had really cheap coffee. We might end up spending a little more, but that's fine. But beautiful Malaga in the morning. It's just, the sun is just rising and it's just so pretty. Enjoying the cold breeze. Yeah, it is cold. He doesn't feel cold for some strange reason, but I do. So let's go and grab some coffee first.
A few moments later.
Hello guys, we are in the small town of Frigiliana. This is included in our day tour, and we're not really sure what we're supposed to do here, but nonetheless we're just walking around the town and exploring it. All the houses are white and it just gives Santorini and Greece vibe, and it's really pretty, I have to say that. So we're just gonna walk and explore this beautiful town, and also there is an old section of the town which I don't know where it is, but we'll figure it out. So let's go and explore this quaint and cute town. So guys, Ashwat is gonna spill some really cool facts about Frigiliana. So here you go. Tell us something, whatever you heard on the bus.
Yeah, so Frigiliana is it's a pretty small town. It currently has a population of around 3,000 people, and this was the last town during the time of the Spanish Inquisition, wherein the Jews and Muslims survived. This Spain was ruled by Muslims for some time, and once the Christians got back into power, the Spanish Inquisition happened, and they forced everyone to convert to Christianity or leave Spain. So this was the only town where all three religions, that is the Muslims, Christians and Jews, coexisted, and this is the last place where they were there. After that, they either converted or left. Spanish
Inquisition is one of the darkest times in the history of Spain. But yeah, that's also one of the realities of Spain. So if you want to read more about it, I'm going to leave some links in the description box. You know, just history perspective say. So this town is also a mountain. That's why I'm gasping for breath a little. But it's very pretty. Highly recommend checking out this store, Artisanat de Frigiliana. Really pretty stuff. I have to say I'm in love with it. Look at this beauty. It actually reminds me of Positano, Greece and everything. It's just so pretty, and from the stores to the cafe, everything is very cute. But I think you should come after 10:30 over here because that's when everything starts picking up and stuff. We bought a magnet and some cookies from here. Honestly, would highly recommend doing this day tour. If you can't really, you know, come to Frigiliana on your own, do include this day tour because it's one of the best things that you can do in Malaga. And oh my god, just look at this. I can't get enough of this place. It's so pretty. Also, there's a very cute cafe behind me, but we're not going to be eating anything because we've had a hearty breakfast. So now we're just going to head down to our bus and probably head to Caves of Nurja, something like this. And yeah, let's go and explore these beautiful caves because our guide was telling us that they are really, really pretty and enormous, and I'm very excited. We're starting a tour of Caves of Nurja. Before that, we had a VR experience which was totally outstanding. And now all set to explore these beautiful caves. I don't think I'll be able to vlog much, but maybe a voiceover and some really nice snippets of how the caves look. So let's go. Guys, I'm not sure if camera is doing any justice, but this cave system is enormous. Wow. Hi guys, just got done with our tour and it was such a great one. I mean, I would highly recommend booking this through Get Your Guide and coming here. It's going to be one of your best Malaga experiences, so definitely come here. And also, my beloved hubby was the one who said that we should be coming for this tour because he was like, "Ek cave to karna banta hai." That's how this happened, and truly enjoyed our time here.
1 hour later.
So after exploring the caves, we are here at Nurja town, quaint fishing community on the coast of Spain. So obviously, the seafood is something that you should definitely try out here. But while we are exploring this beautiful place, all our heart is craving for some Indian food. Hola guys, we are doing the most Indian thing that we can do. We have come to an Indian plus Nepali restaurant. And we are very happy to see the menu because there is naan in the menu. Shashwat is very happy to see naan. But I'm gonna have some rice and maybe some curry. Kitna acha lag raha hai, and I can familiar smells make me so happy. Like that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna eat some Indian food now and. So guys, we've eaten Indian food after almost 5 or 6 days. Shashwat is particularly happy. Would highly recommend coming to Namaste Nepalese and Indian restaurant here in Nurja. Really nice food. To that amazing lunch and some shopping where we got some chocolates and stuff for our family. Now we are heading back to Malaga. Honestly, I would highly recommend coming here. I think this was the perfect end to our trip, and not like the Malaga section of our trip. And honestly, it was such a beautiful experience. I hope you guys liked this vlog, and if you did, you know the drill. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, leave a nice comment, and you will find links to a lot of things like the blog. And with that, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.